Animal migration is a fascinating and complex behavior driven by several factors related to survival, reproduction, and environmental changes. Here's a detailed explanation of why some animals migrate. 1. Seasonal changes. Many animals migrate to take advantage of favorable seasonal conditions. For example, birds migrate to warmer regions during winter to escape the cold and find abundant food supplies. 2. Food availability. Migration allows animals to access different food resources at different times of the year. As seasons change, food sources can become scarce in one area and plentiful in another, prompting animals to move to where food is more abundant. 3. Breeding and reproduction. Some animals migrate to specific breeding grounds that provide optimal conditions for mating, giving birth, or raising young. These areas might offer better shelter, fewer predators, or more resources for nurturing offspring. 4. Avoiding predators. Migration can help animals reduce the risk of predation. By moving to new areas, animals can avoid predators that may be more prevalent in their current habitat during certain times of the year. 5. Climate and weather. Animals migrate to escape harsh weather conditions, such as extreme cold, heat, or drought. Migration allows them to find more suitable climates that support their survival. 6. Life cycle events. For some species, migration is a critical part of their life cycle. For example, salmon migrate from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn, ensuring their offspring have the appropriate environment to develop. 7. Genetic instincts. Migration is often an innate behavior encoded in an animal's genetic makeup. Many species have evolved migratory patterns that are essential for their survival and reproduction, and these behaviors are passed down through generations. 8. Habitat changes. Environmental changes, such as deforestation, urbanization, or habitat destruction, can force animals to migrate in search of new habitats that can sustain their populations. 9. Resource competition. Migration helps animals avoid competition for resources within their own species or with other species. By moving to areas with less competition, animals can access food, water, and shelter more easily. 10. Physiological needs. Some animals migrate to meet specific physiological needs. For example, whales migrate to warmer waters to give birth because their calves are born with a thin layer of blubber and need warmer conditions to survive. 11. Navigational abilities. Many migratory animals have remarkable navigational abilities that allow them to travel long distances with precision. These abilities can include the use of the sun, stars, magnetic fields, and landmarks to find their way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.